Good morning, Prithvish Finance presenting Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, this is one of the insurance company, and yes, if you know about this company, you will understand what exactly they do. The main objective of this memorandum of association is subject to approval. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India carry on all kinds of general insurance business and to transact in India or elsewhere. The business to establish, organize, and manage, distribute, promote, and encourage, provide conduct basic sponsor subsidiaries, operate, develop, and commercials all or any kinds of general insurance business, including but limited to indemnity or guarantee business of all kinds, health, personal accidents, overseas medical travel, fire, marine, hull, aviation, transit, motor vehicles, engineering, accident, including rural, livestock, and crop insurance, and miscellaneous insurances. And all branches of above classes are also business insurance against civil commotion, loss of profit, other contingency, and insurance covering any liability under any law, convention, or agreement, subject to the approval of insurance regulatory and development authorities in India, undertake reassurance, co-insurance, retrocession in insurance liabilities of any kinds or except by other person or bodies, and such a consideration and upon such a terms, conditions, generally in as may be thought fit, and undertake reassurance or co-insurance any insurance or liabilities undertaken by the company, subject to approval of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, to carry on the transact every kind of indemnity business or guarantee business, or every kinds of counter guarantee and counter indemnity business in all their branches. So therefore, what exactly they did since they have launched their insurances into the market? In 2006, they have incorporated as the first standalone health insurance company in India. 2007, they introduced online in-house claim settlement without TPA, launching senior citizen red carpet policy. Star Medigold launched Star Surplus insurance policy, launching Star HIV care insurance policy. 2008 initiated involvement of doctor and specialist in claim and settlement and underwriting. 2019 investment by Safeguard India Investment LLP, Westbridge AIF 1, and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is our promoter. 2020 they have started providing telemedicine facility to customers. Dear investors and viewers, we are going to talk about Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited detail. This company has incorporated Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited, Public Limited Company, under the Company Act 1956 in the year of 2005 on 17 June. We have granted certificate and registered company in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, where our company granted certification for commencement of business December 9, 2005 by ROC. Further, our company was granted certificate carry out the business general insurance by the certificate on 16 March 2006 by IRDA. Our company has part of disclosure annual with the registered companies in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, form MGT7 as a part of extra annual returning form MGT 9 had currently with the reference of promoter. However, the board was imperative and under this applicable on July 12, 2021, the company has identified Cellscarp Investment India LLP, Westbridge AIF 1, and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is our promoter additional. Our opinion, there were no other individual in entities have a right to appoint majority of director and control management or policy decision exercisable by a person or person acting individual or in concert, directly or indirectly, including a virtue of the shareholder or the management rights or the shareholder agreement, voting agreement with the other manors in our company, accordance with the whose advice, directions, and or instruction the board accustomed to act additional the IRDA through letter dated March 27, 2019 and April 2016, 2019 also directed our company promoter Safecorp Investment Indian LLP Westbridge AIF 1 and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. So dear investors and viewers, everybody knows about the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. If you are Indian and you love the finance and you really wanted to invest yourself and your money into the market, you know this name hopefully. Corporate office is located at New Tank Street, Valluvarkottam High Road, Nagabakkam, Chennai, Tamil Nadu 600034. For further information, Star Health, please log on to starhealth.in. So in this case, we are going to talk about, see, look at first thing. If you see, this company is basically into what? Insurance sector, okay. In insurance sector, what people do gives? People really give, see, LIC India, then what? Star Health. Star Health is having insurance with many tie-ups. Okay, so now we are going to talk about their product related approval of our company. Approval received from IRDA for the health insurance product currently offered by us and provided below. Arogya Jeevan Policy, Star Health and Allied Insurance Co. April approval got April 1st, 2020, last modified on 23rd July 2020. Young Star Insurance Policy, February 28, 2020, last modified 1st September 2020. Star Output Patient Care Insurance Policy, September 30, 2019, last modified on the September 17th, 2020. Medi-Classic Accident Care Individual Insurance Policy, August 28, 2070, last modified 11 September 2020. Medi-Classic Insurance Policy, that will be for individual, 14th April 2006, last modified 1st September 2020. So if you say most of their policies has been modified since 2020. Corona Kavach Policy, Star Health and Allied Insurance Co. 5th April 2020. Corona Rakshak Policy, Star Health and Allied Insurance Co. 5th July 2020. So Star Cardiac Care Insurance Policy, March 8, 2013, last modified will be modified on 17th September 2020. Star Comprehensive Insurance Policies, it is again last modification done on the 17th September 2020 and it was started 11th July 2012. Star Hospital Cash Insurance Policy, August 9, 2019. Star Micro Rural and Farm Care, August 16, 2019, last modification 11 September 2020. Why we are talking about this kind of? Because if you see, insurance sector only boom into the market during the COVID itself. People has crazy about to buy the insurance from the market during COVID because they wanted to save their money. Family accident care insurance policy, May 26, 2020. Super surplus insurance policy, February 25th, 2019, and last modification January 27th, 2021. Senior citizen red carpet health insurance policy, June 25th, 2007, last modification 17 September 2020. Star super surplus floater insurance policy, August 2nd, 2018, last modification 27 January 2021. Even diabetes safe insurance policy, 4 July 2018, last modification on September 17, 2020. Star special care, November 15, 2027, last modification September 11, 2020. Star health gain insurance policy, November 30, 2017, last modification September 17, 2020. Star cancer care gold pilot product, October 17th, 2017, last modification for September 2020. Family Health Optima Insurance Plan, 24th October 2014, last modification 1st September 2020. Star Net Plus, 5th July 2013, last modification on 18th September 2020. Star Critic Care Plus Insurance Policy, 14 September 2009, last modification 28 August 2020. Star True Value Health Insurance Policies, 29th November 2006, last modification 28th August 2020. Post Medic Classic Insurance Policy for Individual, 9th February 2018. Post Accident Care for Individual Insurance Policy, 9th February 2018. Post Star Travel Protect Insurance Policy, 9th February 2018. It's not a post, it's a POS Family Health Optima Insurance Plan, 9th February 2018. Family Health Optima Accidental Care Policy, 7th August 2017, last modification 11 September 2020. Accident Care Individual Insurance Policy has 8th August 2013, last received 9th June 2017. Star Student Travel Protect Insurance Policy, August 8, 2013. Star Corporate Travel Protect Insurance Policy, 8th August 2013. Star Travel Protect Insurance Policy, 8th August 2013. College Student Care Insurance, 5th July 2013. School Student Care Insurance, 5th July 2013. Group Arogya Sanjeevani Policy, Star Health and Allied Insurance Co., 19th August 2020. Star COVID Group Top Up, October 12, 2020. Star Group COVID Insurance Policy, 18th July 2020. Star Group Overseas Travel Insurance Policy, 1st July 2019, where Star Group Criticare Platinum, August 29, 2018. Star Group Health Insurance Policy Bank Customer, January 16, 2019, last modification September 19, 2020. Star Group Health Insurance Policy Gold for Bank Customer, 24 January 2020. Star Group Criticare Gold, 29th August 2018. Star Group Health Insurance, 19 June 2018, last modification 1st September 2020. Group Accident Insurance Policy, March 13, 2018. Classic Group Health Insurance, 20 June 2017, last modification 11 September 2020. Privileged Group Health Insurance, 27 November 2017, last modification 18 September 2020. Accident Care Group Insurance, April 29, 2006, and last revised March 31st, 2016. where accident trauma care insurance policy group Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, that is on 5th July 2013, and probably last modification they written no. And this is another policy. One is a accident trauma care insurance policy group, 5th July 2013, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, 4th June 2019, Star Group Top Up, 28 December 2020, Star Cardiac Care Insurance Policy Platinum, 9th March 2021, Star Cancer Care Platinum Insurance Policy, 24th March 2020, 1 Star Critical Illness Multi-Pay Insurance Policy, 6th August 2021, Star Group Critical Illness Multi-Pay Insurance Policy, July 29, 2021, Saral Suraksha Bima, March 24, 2021, Star Group Micro, Rural and Farm Care, 31st March 2021, Star Novel Coronavirus Policy, 18th March 2021, last received on June 3rd, 2020. So branch related operated our company as on September 30, 2021, we have a branches 779 branches all over India, which we approved by IRD. Shop and establishment certificate issue was law the state and has operation. The area at Chennai, zonal office at Mumbai, branch office at T Nagar, Pari, Kilpauk, Tarnaka, Kukatpalli, Karimnagar, Himayatnagar, Tirupur, Meerut, Vishakhapatnam, Silampura, Siliguri, Borivali East and Balotra. So this is one of the biggest, we can say, this is the company which is one of the biggest company from the insurance sector. If you see, they have literally captured the government as well as the private sector under the name of insurance. They give the insurance to so many. They have designed their insurance policies basically, because immediately somebody come with the corona and all. Yes, absolutely. Then the group policy is also available there. So anyways, we are not going to talk about more into insurance deeply. But yeah, but we would like to say something about this company is already a file. Many people claim the insurance probably, but they not got. So there are a lot of pending cases available into the market against this company too. So if you go and see the reality, many companies really do reimbursement of insurance, if you are aware, if you are from corporate world. Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited, okay, there is a Star Health is their symbol. The issue period will be, opening date will be 13th November 2021, closing date will be 2nd December 2021. Post issue modification period 3rd December 2021, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Cut-off UPI mandate confirmation will be up to 12 p.m. on 3rd December. Issue size of this is the $20,000 million offer sale, 20,000 million. Again, this is one of little big, not little big, but it is a normal issue. Issue type is 100% big book build issue. Price range is 870 to 900. Discount employee reservation 80 rupees per equity share. Eligibility of employee category. Face value 10 rupees. Ticket size 1 rupees. Bid lot 16 share equity and multiple thereof 16 shares. Minimum order quantity 16 share. Minimum subscription amount for retail investors 2 lakhs. Maximum subscription amount for eligible 5 lakh employee. That is employees. The employee can invest up to 5 lakh. IPO market timings 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the book running lead managers Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, Axis Capital Limited, BOFA Security India Limited, Citigroup Global Market India Private Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, CLSA India Private Limited, Credit and Suisse Security India Limited, Jefferies India Private Limited, Ambit Private Limited, DAM Capital Advisory Limited, IIFL Securities Limited, and SBI Capital Markets Limited. Sponsored bank is Axis Bank. Dear investors and viewers, your favorite subscription prediction by Vridivej Finance for Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited. Expected subscription between 14%, 45% to 85%. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. Thank you by Vridivej Finance. We will come back with the GMP very soonly after the 3rd December. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.